Welcome to the age of SpaceX's X-37b, the dawn of a new era in space technology. Imagine a world where traveling to space is as common as taking a flight to another city. That's the future SpaceX is envisioning. Meet the X-37b, an autonomous spacecraft designed to redefine our relationship with the cosmos. It's not just a machine, it's a gateway to the stars. With its advanced technology, the X-37b promises to make space exploration more accessible and sustainable. This is a vehicle that truly goes above and beyond. Every journey the X-37b undertakes is a testament to human ingenuity and the boundless possibilities of technology. It's a symbol of progress, of ambition, of dreams made reality. But this is only the beginning. As SpaceX continues to innovate, who knows what marvels the X-37b will bring? The sky is no longer the limit. In the world of space technology, the X-37b is a game changer. Buckle up, because the future of space exploration starts now.